guys, today I will tell you how to make masaledar macaroni, and for that first I have taken 4 tablespoons of oil on the pan and one small sized onion which I have chopped, and now I'm going to just saute the onion for a while until it gets soft. We don't want the onion to change its color, we just want it to get a little bit softer. So here I'm putting the chopped onions in the frying pan. I have taken one small sized onion. And after I'm done putting it in the pan, then I'm going to just saute it for a while until just it gets soft, because we want it to be soft, we don't want it to be golden, remember that. Now that the onions have turned soft, onions are softer now, so we are going to add our chicken into it. I have taken 3 pieces of boneless chicken and I have cut them into small pieces. Now I'm adding them into the frying pan, and we are going to put the lid on and we are going to cook it until the chicken. Now we are going to put the lid of the frying pan on and we're going to let it cook. Let the chicken cook until it turns white from pink. So we want the chicken to turn white, and after that it has turned white, so we are going to take the lid of the frying pan off, and now we are going to add the sauces. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm using ketchup a little bit more because I like the taste of it. You can also use 1 tablespoon of ketchup if you like, but I'm using 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Now I'm going to just mix the sauces and the ketchup with the onions and chicken, and when they are completely nicely mixed, then we are going to move on the next step, which is spices. I have taken 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. I'm using the spices in a really small amount because I'm making in a small quantity of macaroni. That's why if you increase your amount of macaroni, you should increase the amount of spices as well. Now I'm going to mix these spices and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Lal Mirch. Kashmiri Lal Mirch just gives it a redness. If you don't have Kashmiri Lal Mirch, you can completely skip this part. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. I am using it as per required. If you just use salt how much is required in your macaroni. And now I'm going to just mix the spices and the gravy all together, and when it's completely mixed, then I'm going to add some chilies to the macaroni as well and going to mix them a bit. Then I'm going to add the macaroni into the frying pan and going to mix the macaroni with the gravies which we had made right now. I'm going to just mix it right now. I have used 1 cup of boiled macaroni, so I'm going to just mix them really nicely, and when they're mixed, I'm going to garnish them with some coriander leaves. And as you can see, it looks so masaledar, spicy, delicious, and yummy. So you know what to do, right? If you liked my recipe, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what should I make next for you guys. And please do tell me that you like my recipes or not, and what new recipes should I make for you guys, and your feedback does matter. So please comment down below in the comment section.